Hey guys, it's Paul. Really quick introduction to the ClickFunnels full training and dedicated forum. You'll see on my website, if you're at paulnicholson.com, I use ClickFunnels to host my website. You're more than likely watching this page now. You've come to this page and you're watching this video on an introduction to this forum. So what you've got to sign up is you've got to enter an email address and it's going to jump you into the forum. The email is so that I can update you on new information on ClickFunnels, information that I think will be relevant for you, that'll help you in your business. I won't abuse your email. I appreciate people don't like getting emails, or it can be annoying to get too many. I will email you when I think there's something relevant to ClickFunnels that you should know. So put in an email and click join. It'll then jump you to the ClickFunnels forum, where you can, again, now you can set up an account. So all you need is your email address, add a username. I'm just going to click, it'll tell you if it's available. Put in your name or an abbreviation of your name, add a password, and create a new account. You're going to get an email. You're going to get an email's activation from the funnel forum. Here it is. Paul Nicholson ClickFunnels training. Click to activate your email and you're in. It's going to say continue to the training, and now you're in. So ClickFunnels is obviously a big program, can do a lot of things. It wants you to read this message, right? So just click on this message and read it. And it's broken into categories, and there's going to be training lessons, and there's going to be Q&As and webinars and all sorts of things in the future. But you'll be able to see things like this, official training, where you can jump in and see exactly what Connect Aweber, follow-up funnels, all sorts of videos and training lessons for you to get to know ClickFunnels, to get to know anything you need to know about ClickFunnels. Moving through it is obviously a forum, so you can jump into any video, follow-up funnels, active campaign. Just click reply, type in whatever question you've got or any information you want to add. If you want to add another way of doing something, just add in there. If you want to create a new topic, you just go new topic. I don't know, how do I create a new sales funnel? Something like that, right? You can actually tag me in it. If you do @Paul, that's me. Tag you, put your message, pick a category. If you're not sure where to put it, just put it in the general. I can always move it if it's not in the right place, and create a topic. All right, so it's just a full forum, full training. Everything's going to be organized where you're gonna find what you need to get the most out of your ClickFunnels. Obviously, you pay a lot of money for your ClickFunnels, so we want to make sure you're getting the most out of it, don't you? Return on investment, of course, right? It's free to use. You'll see an advert on every page. When it's my videos, my introduction videos, we'll have a advert on the front of them as well. And if you've signed up with me via my affiliate link for ClickFunnels, then there's going to be some other goodies as well coming up. So jump in, sign up, ask questions, don't get stuck. I'm here to help, and we're going to get you the most out of ClickFunnels that we can. Okay? Cheers, guys.